Hello everyone, welcome back to Techie Bytes from ResoluteAI.in. In this video, we are going to explore the Power BI service. Be sure to check out our previous videos if you haven't already, link in the description. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell for future updates and videos. Hey, so I learned in the last video how to publish and about the workspace. But are there any other features Power BI service offers?
The Microsoft Power BI service, sometimes referred to as Power BI Online, is the SaaS, Software as a Service part of Power BI. For more on Power BI service, check out our previous video.
Oh, so as a SaaS, what are features does it offer?
There are a lot of things that are possible in Power BI service, such as importing data. After clicking on Get Data, you can get data from a lot of different sources, like your local files, OneDrive, other databases, and samples.
Also, what's the difference between a report and a dashboard in Power BI?
Dashboard is a high-level business data view from where navigation to reports originates, whereas reports are built based on datasets where each dataset can be viewed from the multi-perspective view. In dashboards, you view business insights and key performance indicators and make business decisions, whereas in reports, we have a much more detailed, full analysis, which helps business owners to make decisions on the cumulative information. Therefore, the report can provide a more detailed view of the information that is represented on a dashboard. You can also create reports on Power BI service using your already loaded datasets. You can share your reports, share your datasets, use Excel, and create your reports just like Power BI Desktop. Of an organization, you can easily share, create, and distribute data across your organization. After you've created your dashboards and reports, you can share them so end users in Power BI service can easily view and interact with them. You can also generate a link for your report and share it with others. Workspaces can be easily created, and your colleagues can collaborate on reports and dashboards. Reports and dashboards can also be shared by creating apps. This is a sample application that has been created to share a report. You can also update your data and reports live using Auto Update and Gateway, as shown in a previous video.
That's terrific. So live data can be easily tackled using this. Power BI service is a great tool too. But under the services, you explained we can share reports and dashboards as an app. Could you elaborate on that?
Well, for that we'll continue in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.